Okay, so I've done today's trade. Today is second. I've done 2 trades. You could see I did the first trade around 121, and then later this morning I did the second one because there was not enough signal, so I paused. And you will see the trades I did, they are all just one tick. So they were very good entries, smooth trades. We've made $20, 10,000 naira, and that's good for the day. Now I'm going to show you the second aspect of it, which is how I'm keeping my record. Okay, you can use the sheet, Google Sheets, to be able to do this. I get to upload my daily projection. I already have it in an Excel. All I need to do is enter my records, and then I'll get to show you. Okay, so this is the planned projection for today's second. So what do I need to do? I enter the value of the profit I made, which is about $20.04. Okay, that's the value of what I made, and I traded 10 index. So I can come here and change this to 10. So what remark do I have about the trade? Very simple. There are smooth trades with interval. Now you can see me keeping record of what I'm doing. This automatically save and is synchronized, so I can get it on my system. I can get it anywhere. So far, that's $59 in 3 days. It's simple, it's easy, just flow. Once you can see signals coming from my app, you don't have to do everything. Just pick 2 in a day, and you are done. And let me tell you, after I've done this, the next thing I'll get to do is to go over to my DP2P and make withdrawals. Okay, because I had profits from my other robots, so I always withdraw them to this account. I don't like selling differently on different accounts, so I withdraw them to this. I sell them to myself here, and then I can get to sell them again. So here I just create. I have to pause. Okay, so I've made my order. Now I can post the order for a sale, and you will find my order on the list. Okay, people are selling 567, so I am selling 568, and I think I should be somewhere around here. Okay, this is my order, so I'm going to re-edit it, change it a little bit so that I can be faster to sell. Okay, now I've re-edited my order to 566, so once somebody picks it up and pays, I should be getting about 30,000 plus or so. So this is how you can be making 5,000, 10,000, 20,000 every day, and you'll be collecting your money. Dollar, what's up now?